Traders in the building, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video, guys. Today we are analyzing these pairs that I have on the watch list: the dollar index, gold, US100, GBPJPY, and US30. So I will be starting with the dollar index because it's the first on the watch list. Let me just zoom the chart. So in this pair that I have in front of me, I am anticipating a bullish market for the week that is coming, which is from the 3rd of January till the 7th of January 2022. And the reason for that is because price at this level has shown to be supporting twice, right? You see how it's supported for the first time, second time, and now it's coming there for the third time. It's coming for the third time. So for me, if I don't know if price needs to come, it will come directly to this level, but if I was to be trading this market, I am overall for the week that is coming bullish on this market, right? And last week I did say that the market was going to be bullish at this level because that was the level of support that we currently had at that structure. You see how it was supporting in many times here, and then support. So I was assuming that because price was here, it was gonna come to this level, then push from here to that resistance. But unfortunately, it found momentum to the downside, and long story short, we are now here. So we are now analyzing that is again going to be a bullish market for the week that is coming, which is the first week of 2022. So going to another pair, which is gold. Gold again, I am bearish on gold. Let me just fix my chart. I am bearish on gold, right? And as I indicated, I said strong resistance on daily time frame, and I said bearish. By the way, this in front of me is a 4-hour time frame. So just to prove what I mean when I say it's bearish, strong resistance on a daily time frame, this is what I saw, right? This is what I have on a daily time frame. I have a resistance on a daily time frame that resisted once, twice, for the third time here, for the fourth time here, and now we are there for the fifth time. So for me, we are exactly at that level. So I do not want us to assume that price is going to break above. I'm just going to trade what is currently in front of me, which in front of me currently I see that the market is going to drop, right? It's supposed to drop if according to the analysis, it's supposed to drop. So I'm going to drop this gold market. Actually, I already have an entry that I entered on gold. I trade gold, I do not trade other pairs. So on gold I already entered for a sell, and here this is my take profit because of whenever price gets to this level, it has shown to be supporting, right? To be supportive. So it's a strong level of support. When price gets here, I will close manually. I do not want to assume price is gonna break below. If it happens that it breaks below, then I will adjust with the market and look for short positions, right? So going to another pair is US100, which is also known as Nasdaq, right? US100. So this one for me is very tricky because in most times people will say Nasdaq is known to be a bullish market overall, right? But we have seen that for this year it has been pretty much caught up in a range, right? It did try to trend a bit, but it has been caught up in a range. But this is a 4-hour, by the way. This is a 4-hour time frame. So in front of me I see that there's a strong resistance on a 4-hour. As I indicated here, there's a strong resistance on a 4-hour, which we can all see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 times Nasdaq tried to break that level, and it failed. So it failed 11 times to break that level, and currently we are below that level. So I do not want to assume anything else, but I'm seeing that this market has more potential to drop further to the downside, and this is my take profit because whenever price gets there, it has shown to be supporting at that level. Supported once, supported twice, supported for the third time. So this is what I see on Nasdaq. I don't know for other people, but I'm confident with this analysis that Nasdaq is going to drop, right? So going to another pair, I hope I'm not moving too fast. If I am, please comment down below. I will make another video maybe explaining each pair individually. You will just comment down below what you're not happy with, maybe the speed or whatever the thing that you're not happy with, or the thing that you're happy with. Comment down below, I will appreciate that. So GBPJPY, again I say I'm bearish on that, and to show why I'm bearish on that, let me zoom out on the chart. Right, GBPJPY, we have a level that is resisted here in the past, and I need you to notice how when this level that was resisting in the past, when it got broken, there was a when it got broken, it proved to be valid by supporting at that level. You know, they say that an old resistance that is broken becomes a newly formed support. So this proven to be valid. It supported again and again until the market broken below at that level, until we saw that the market broke below at that level. Then when it broke below, it came to resist, right? So now we are currently in the market, we are currently below that level. So for me, because of we are below that level, I won't assume that price is going to break that level, but rather I will trade what's in front of us, and in front of us is a bearish market, right? And I say this because of, in most times when price gets there, it reacts accordingly. It was above, it supported, below, resisted. So we are now below that level, and I am pretty much confident that this market is going to drop for the week that is coming, which is the first week of 2022, right? Now going to the last pair, another pair, which is the last pair, the US30, the Dow Jones as is known. I'm again on this market, I'm bearish, right? And the reason for that, I'm bearish on this market, and the reason for that is because see how we had a high here, we had a high, and the next time price came to that high, it couldn't break that high. Let me prove it. It couldn't break that high, but rather it played around and spiked, but it couldn't break that high. It failed once. It tried to come for the second time with the wick, and this time it tried to break above pretty much, but it was just a spike, which is, we can say, it was a fake out again. And now price is showing to maybe be going back there again. So for me, already for those who trade US30, I can say this is a bearish market. Maybe it can go a little bit up and then drop, but for me overall, for the week that is coming, I am confident that this market is going to be bearish. And the reason why I have my take profit set at that level, it is because, well, not that I have it set at that level, but it's a place that I would recommend those traders who trade US30 to have their take profit set, because price has been resisting here and ranged pretty much below that level, but the time it broken above, it came to support. And so for me, this is a level where you can say, if price ever gets there, you want to see yourself taking profit and maybe entering another position for a buy. You do not want to assume that price is going to break below. What do you have in front of you? You trade what is currently in front of you. You make no assumptions, you just trade the current structure, right? So yeah guys, this is what I have for the week that is coming from the 3rd to the 7th. If you like the video, the content that I put out, please do like, subscribe, comment down below where I should improve, maybe the speed, the tone, or maybe the volume. Whatever it is that you are not comfortable with, or whatever that it is you are comfortable with, please do comment so I know what to keep on doing and what not to keep on doing. I love you guys. Thank you for watching up to this far.